Hello, and welcome to Sunbreeze English Podcast. Your daily breeze for learning English through simple conversations, useful words, and easy listening practice. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's learn English, one breeze at a time.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Sunbreeze English. I'm Joy.
And I'm Joe. Glad to be here with you today.
My pleasure, Joe. And today we're talking about something many people are thinking about right now.
That sounds exciting.
How to start 2026 right.
I like it. How to start 2026 right. A new year often feels like a fresh page, like, okay, let's try again.
Exactly. The start of a new year can feel like the perfect time to let go of the past.
The worries, the stress, the things that didn't go so well last year.
And instead, look at life a little differently.
Hopefully, a little more kindly.
That's a good word. Kindly.
But Joy, can I be honest?
Of course.
Sometimes a new year also feels like pressure. Like I have to be better immediately.
Yeah, a lot of people feel that way.
New goals, new habits, a new personality, all by January 1st.
And when we can't do all that, we feel disappointed.
Even though it's only been a few days.
Exactly. So maybe starting 2026 right isn't about doing more.
Maybe it's about noticing more.
I love that. One simple place to start is gratitude.
Like counting your blessings.
Yes, it's an old idea, but it really works.
I used to think it sounded a little cheesy,
Yeah, a lot of people do.
but it's actually powerful.
Very. Research shows that writing down just 3 things you're grateful for each day can really improve your well-being.
3 things doesn't sound too hard.
Not at all. They can be very small things.
Like a good cup of coffee.
A quiet morning.
Or finally replying to that message you've been avoiding.
Exactly. Gratitude helps us notice what's already good.
And that changes how we see the world.
Another way to start the year well is through connection.
Yes, humans, other people.
Yes, other people.
Sometimes scary, but important.
Very important. Taking up social hobbies can make a big difference.
And it's never too late to start a new hobby.
Never.
You don't need to be good at it.
You just need to enjoy it.
Exactly, like cooking classes, walking groups, or language exchanges.
Or even just meeting one friend regularly.
That's a good one. It's the connection that gives us energy.
And reminds us that we're not alone.
Yeah, now let's talk about perfection.
Yes, please.
Perfectionism sounds positive.
It does, but it can be very heavy.
Yeah, perfect is the enemy of good.
Exactly. When we aim for perfection, we often stop ourselves from starting at all.
Or we feel like nothing we do is ever enough.
And that can affect our health, our stress levels, and our sleep.
So maybe in 2026, we aim for good enough.
I think that's a beautiful goal.
Progress, not perfection.
That's wonderful, Joe. Now, here's a harder one.
Uh-oh.
It is anger.
Yeah, that one's tricky.
Anger can be very destructive.
Yeah, words come out that we don't mean.
And actions we later regret.
But anger also has energy.
Yes, it's actually a very powerful emotion.
And if we handle it the right way, that energy doesn't have to destroy anything.
Exactly. If we notice anger early, we can choose what to do with it.
Like going to the gym.
That's a great example.
Instead of shouting or hurting someone, you move your body and release the energy.
And you feel better after.
Yeah, more calm, more clear.
When anger is handled well, it can actually make us more productive.
But when it's ignored or pushed down,
That's when it causes damage.
to relationships and to our health.
So, anger isn't the enemy.
Not at all.
It can show us what really matters to us.
Or what needs to change.
And when we redirect it into movement, creativity, or honest conversations, it can become something useful.
That's a powerful way to see it.
One last thing that many of us struggle with:
Phones.
phones. Such a tricky topic, huh?
Yeah, I don't even want to know how many times I check mine in a day.
Some people check their phones more than 100 times a day.
Guilty. No wonder I feel distracted all the time.
Well, doom scrolling and endless notifications can really affect our attention, sleep, and mental health.
So maybe instead of fighting our phones,
We make them work for us.
notifications off,
Screen time limits.
or using them for things that help, like learning, reading, or listening to English.
Exactly. That's one way. And here's something interesting. There's a study that suggests couples should take one day off from checking their phones each week.
Really? One whole day?
Yeah, you can schedule it whenever it works best. It helps the connection between partners grow stronger and deeper.
Makes sense. No distractions, more quality time.
And it doesn't have to be just for couples. You can do it for yourself too. A gift to yourself. A day off to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with the physical world. And remind yourself that you matter.
I like that. One day off sounds peaceful. Actually, it sounds important.
It really is. Just a small habit, but it can make a big difference in our focus, mood, and overall well-being.
Yeah, instead of doom scrolling, we're choosing what's good for us.
Exactly. It's a form of valuing ourselves.
Starting 2026 right doesn't mean fixing everything all at once.
Yeah, it's really about being aware of what we do and how we feel.
And noticing the little habits we want to change.
Exactly. Not perfection, just the willingness to try, to replace old habits with better ones.
Yeah, like planting seeds. You water them slowly, and over time, they grow.
Every small effort counts. Every choice to do better matters.
So maybe the goal isn't to be perfect, but to keep trying.
To keep moving forward one better habit at a time.
Yeah, the will to try, that's what really makes the difference.
And that effort, even if it's small, shapes the year ahead.
So don't wait for a perfect start. Just start with intention.
Thank you for spending this time with us on Sunbreeze English. Let's make 2026 a year of small, meaningful steps.
Beautifully said, Joy. We're really glad you're here with us.
We'll see you again in the next episode.
Until then, take it slow.
And have a gentle, meaningful start to 2026.
Have a great one.
Bye.